Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video we have to find out the area, and for example this is the square and this is the center of the square. Sorry, the square is not perfect. The square is perfect but my drawing is not perfect, and this is the another square. So second square inside the first square, and this is the shaded area. So this is, for example, one side is 10 centimeter. It means, and for example we are tilting the second square, and here we have the small square, so 5 centimeters and 5 centimeters. So let's suppose find out the area of the small square. So it is going to be 25 centimeter square, but we are not concerned with that. So let's go to the original figure again and find out the area of the shaded region. So this is the original figure, and the two sides are 10 centimeters and 10 centimeters. So the distance from here to here is 5 centimeters and one side is 10 centimeters. So for finding out the area of the half into base into height, so the one side is 10 centimeter multiplied by height, so this distance is 5 centimeters. So 10 multiplied by 5 centimeters, so it is going to be 50 divided by 2, and the area of the shaded region is going to be 25 centimeters square. So this is how we find out the area of the shaded region. Thanks for watching.